have been able to convert that into a soundscape, right? And this article goes into quite a bit of depth in terms of how this can assist us approaching understanding the cosmos from a different sensory data set. But what I love about this article is it's included examples of the sound. So let's listen now to the data sonification of the black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster. It's great. This is the black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster. Do you reckon you could sleep to this? What would you dream?
Exactly.
I feel like we could just leave this playing in the background.